Hi, my name is Barb. About 7 years ago, we had some renovations done in our home by Sosna, and we were super happy with the work that they did. So after moving to our condo, and we realized we needed to get some more renovations done, redoing our kitchen and bathrooms, there was only one company that we wanted to do the work, and that was Sosna. They are meticulous, on time. If Andre, the owner, says he's going to phone you at 2:45, he will phone you at 2:45. We were very impressed with the whole procedure and how seamlessly the renovation went. It was great meeting with Andre, and ultimately we met up with Chantel, the designer, who made our decisions so easy. She figured out very quickly what our design style was like, and she made the choosing of the different fixtures and so forth a very simple process. Gus was the site manager, and he was very meticulous and kept us up to date with everything that was going on. It was amazing how quickly the whole process started and went according to a time schedule. We were kept appraised of that the entire time. I definitely would recommend Sosna as a company to go to. They're reliable, they're friendly, they have great work ethics, and just a pleasure to work with. Thank you so much to Andre and Chantel and Gus and all of the Sosna team.